sometimes there is a problem with this flash tank that it won't stop when you flash the tank when it's supposed to be a stop. It's not stopping and the water still will leak. So the reason for that is if we open of course the flash tanks are different from one another, but this here, which is should stop. See, this lever here should stop the water from inside when water comes on the certain level, but it won't stop. The reason for that is mostly because there is a rubber bush inside, which is the responsible for shutting off the water flow, and it's not working. So we need to remove this blue piece here, which is the rubber is inside, and then sometimes we can just reverse the rubber and it will work. So if we again turn like this and flash the tank, you see the water will go down, but once it is coming up, and this blue lever, actually you can see this should shut the water. See, when the blue lever comes up, and it should shut the water flow. It's not doing it. You know, the lever will come up, the blue lever, but unfortunately it's not stopping it. So actually this is not doing anything. So what we have to do first, we have to shut the main water, and then we have to remove this lever, and then we change either the rubber, or we can sometimes, as I said, I tried it many times to reverse it and it's working. So now we will shut the water first, and then we remove this blue piece. So first now I'll empty the tank, and then remove it once again, this one, and then now try to remove this by turning it to this side, and then trying to open this. It's a little bit hard to remove. This is it, and we have to remove this part from the body, and then the rubber is under this piece here, under here. So we have to remove this part by putting the screwdriver under that, and then we can remove it. So the water follows from here, this hole, and then comes out from this hole here. If you can see it, there is a small hole, and this rubber is responsible for shutting the water. So after some time, if you see there is a mark, a small mark on this rubber, so the rubber is damaged. So we can just remove the rubber and just make it reverse on the other side and put it back. Once we take out this one, you see, you can see the mark on this thing. So we can reverse it and put it on the other side, which is new, and I think this is where result. So we will put it from this side, which is its new. And then we can just put it back. So putting it back is not difficult, it's just press it and it's working. So when the lever is shutting, pushing it this way, it will shut the water flow. Fix it on its place. Now try it once again. If anytime and it stops. If you just press this one now down, see the water again will come, but if you leave it, it will stop, because this is what is shutting off the water. And we will now open it up.